These are the main elevators at the west side of the building at the Riverwalk Corporate Center in the south side of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are Dover traditional. Thyssen Dover in this case because they were installed in 2001. Get the right elevator, 2-speed door, hospital size cab, up to 6. You turn it go up. So not served 2. These are traction, SPF. These do not run that great. Here it sits. Interesting. We'll go back down to 1. No phone. Looks like there used to be one though. A pretty basic blue cab. Carpet floor is very worn. Here's the fireman's phone, which there's also no phone in there. Epic fail for phones. And here back at 1.